Yes, good morning students. Now we'll continue with the civics lesson number 1. Yes, we have studied why did man feel the need for the society and the social nature of man. Now we are going to study about the third point, our development. Yes, every person is born with inbuilt with qualities and capabilities. Yes, some persons are good in sports. Some might be good in studies. Some must be good some other activities. Yes, so they are dormant. What is dormant? Dormant is not active or sometimes. Dormant means having normal having normal physical function suspended or slowed down for a period of time. Yes, dormant. What is dormant? Dormant is having normal physical function suspended or slowed down for a period of time. That time is for a time limit. Yes. Now we have used different languages to communicate with others. When we when we were born, when we were born, our family first language, which is spoken at home, they teach that first. Yes, it's when the child is small. Yes, when he is small, he listens to the elders talking to each other. The same thing he learns from the parents. Yes, that is the first language he learns at home. Now, slowly, when he grows up and communicate with others, the neighbors, then his friends, and everybody, then he learns. He picks with different languages. Yes, what they talk. Even when we go to school, yes, in the school also, they give us opportunity to learn different language. Yes. Now every person has capacity to think is different. Yes. For example, when take an example, if the teacher is given you all to write an essay, yes, she has given a topic on some topic, write an essay. Write an essay on topic of the cow. Yes. Now every child has different way of thinking. Every child will write different essays. Yes. So why is it that no two essays are same? Why? It is because the process in which the different, each is different. the thinking process of each is different. Society helps in the development of our emotion capacities and the power to think. It also provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feeling process. Yes. Now there are various fields where we can use our skills, talents in better ways, like singing, music, musicians, artists, scientists, adventures, social workers. So these are the field where we can develop more in an enhance quality which we get encouragement. These are the uh, in this field we get encouragement from whom we get encouragement from our society. Now this encouragement is very important. Yes, if we don't get encouragement from our society, we won't feel like living in a world, isn't it? Now we'll take this fourth point. What is meant by society? What is meant by society? Now, society includes all men, women, grown ups, old people, young children. Yes, our family are part of the society. Society also includes different groups, institutions, and organizations. The interrelationship and interaction between the people. Yes, their dependence on one another and sharing also form a part of the society. Yes, now all this, the institutions, groups, our families, organizations, other are dependent on one another. Yes, and they also share, and by also sharing also forms a part of the society. Society is not a simple mob or a crowd of people. Yes, mob means what? Yes, mob means a large crowd of people. Crowd of people that may be violent or cause trouble. Yes. What is a mob? The mob is a large crowd of people that may become violent or cause trouble. Yes. So society is formed when people come together to achieve certain objectives. Now, children, in order to fulfill our needs like food, clothing, shelter, and security, the society has to create permanent system. Yes, some certain permanent system should be there. Without such a system, the day-to-day affairs of the society cannot be carried on. A system is essential for the continued existence of the society. For example, we take an example. Yes, we take an example of for agriculture. Yes, for agriculture, we will be needing tools, isn't it? We need to for the agriculture we need many tools. Yes, and equipments. From where this will from where these tools and equipments come. You must have realized that these tools and all must have comes from the factories, isn't it? So the factory we need, we will be needing factory to make the tools. Yes, to enable the farmers to purchase agriculture. Now this for buying the tools. Yes, we need money. Yes, so to enable the farmers to purchase agricultural equipment, banks are necessary to provide loans. Yes, where these poor farmers will bring the money from. So to purchase these tools, which is needed in the agriculture, they need to buy it. So they need the bank facility, bank loans. Yes, to sell the manufactured goods, markets are necessary. Yes, it is interlinked, isn't it? Now to sell these manufactured goods. Yes, the grains, food grains, whatever it is, whatever they have to sell, they have to go to the market. So market is necessary. Therefore, a vast system needs to be created which includes factories, manufacture tools, equipments, market for the good products. Yes, the existence of many such systems makes a society stable. Yes, and in the next chapter, we will learn about the diversity in the Indian society. So, children, we end up with this lesson over here. We'll just go through what we have done from the starting of the lesson. We had learned that the nomadic stage. From the nomadic stage. Yes, what does nomadic stage means? People moving from one place to another in search of food. Those days were called as nomadic stage. Now, from people from those days, the development of the plants, animals, over many thousands of years from simple early form to more advanced one. Yes? Now, what type of changes came in man during those days? Yes, the people were first Stone Age, before it was Stone Age, then Copper Age, Iron Age. Then he used to move from one place to another to get the food and to collect the food. If that food is when that food got over, he moved to the another place. So he was not stable. Yes, because of it was not stable. But after many years, yes, many years, people got settled. How they got settled? That means we have a place to stay now. Yes, we have a home where we stay in our home. Yes, and we can buy whatever we need. Yes, we can go in the market and buy whatever we need. But in those older days, it was not that type of life. For whatever they need, food, clothing, they need to go to the jungle, they used to hunt the animals, and they used to, so they used to live those lives. Yes, So this is a social present social life. We get through this process of evolution to our present social life. It took thousands of years, yes, from nomadic stage to the social present life. Man has moved from a nomadic stage to a settled social life. Now this is the modern technology. Yes, man from nomadic stage to the well social settled social life, man felt the need for society. Because in nomadic stage there was no stability and security for them. But today's time man feels the man feels that staying in a society we feel secure and safe community life. Now they started slowly realizing that in a group it gets secured, it gets security, and if people come together, then there will be development in the society as well as in the human life. Staying in a society, there are certain rules and regulations. We have to follow certain rules and regulations. Yes, we have taken a rule, example of school. Yes, the same school. In school, certain rules are there, regulations are there. Yes, same rules and regulations have to be followed in the offices, corporates, etc. From people, you come to know that tradition, ethics, then values, how to follow, these all things will come to know from the people. Because of the society, man feel much more organized and stable. Yes, the second point, we come to the second point, the social nature of man. What is the social nature of man? Man is social by nature. Yes, man's basic need is what? Food, shelter, and clothing. But now education also plays an important role. So we all like to live with one another who are around us. Once we live with them, we feel secure and stable. We feel very happy. Now humans need some emotional and psychological needs. Yes, when we are happy, we wish to share our happiness with our families, friends, yes, with others. Yes, similarly, when we are sad, we wish to have somebody near us, with us. Yes, we like to the companionship of our family members, relatives, and friends. These feelings reflect our social nature. Now, as I said that when we are sad, we like to share the sadness with the other people so that we feel secure. As you all know, staying in a family, we feel good. We are all the companionship of our family members. Now there are many talented people who have with their skills in the society by producing various articles. Yes. Now in a society there are various educations and health related services, and if you are not well, you go to a you you can consult a doctor, a healthcare center, and so all these things are available in a society. Now, there are many industries and occupations has come up in the market. Yes, because to provide jobs to the people and make their life secure and stable. And from these, they can fulfill their needs. They are called the basic needs. These are called as the basic needs. Basic needs, they can fulfill their basic needs by these. Yes. Now, for buying a book, yes. What do we need? We need a page. Yes. Now that is why occupations like manufacturing, papers, printing, then book binding, etc. also develop. Now many people they contribute to this process. Yes, many people they contributed in this process. Yes, they are working in this process. Many people get the job due to this. Yes, thus the variety of occupations in the society help in developing our skills and capabilities. Our basic needs are fulfilled in society. We depend on each other for emotional needs such as security. Yes, thus our life in society is interdependent. Yes, we go to our development. Third point, our development. Yes, every person is born with inbuilt qualities and capabilities. Some are good in some people may be good in sports, some may be good in acting, some may be good in studies, some may be good in some other activities. Yes, they are dormant. Dormant, you all have already studied that it is having normal physical function, suspended or slowed down for a period of time. For a period of time, it is slowed down. Yes. Now we use different languages to communicate with each other. When we are born in a family, our first language, which is spoken at home, and they teach that first language. Yes, the child is learned from the house, the first language. Now, slowly, when he grows up and communicates with the families, friends, neighbors, yes, so he picks up different languages. Yes, then even school gives us opportunity to learn different languages. Yes, in the school also you learn different type of languages. Yes, now every person has the capacity to think is different. Thinking is different. Take an example of when we are given when the children in a school, the teacher is given a essay to the children. Yes, in a class, all the students, all the topics, and the topics of an essay is given. All the students they have a different. They will think differently and they will write different essays, right? Because their thinking power is different. It provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. Now there are various fields where we can develop our skills, talent in better ways. the talents may be singing, musicians, all those social workers. So these are the field where we can develop more in an enhanced quality, which we get encouragement from our society. And this encouragement is very important in our society. Now, fourth point, what is meant by society? Yes, society includes all men, women, then old people, young people, and also groups of institutions and organizations. The interrelationship and interaction between the people, their dependence on one another. Yes, then in order to fulfill needs like food, clothing, security, and stability is needed. Yes, without such a system, the day-to-day affairs of the society cannot be carried out. Yes, so we stop over here, students. Yes, thank you.